Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Moralis Streams for real-time wallet tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Moralis Streams in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. On the home page, look for the Login button located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Moralis Streams account. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link provided on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can find various options related to wallet tracking. To set up real-time wallet tracking, look for the Create Stream button. Click on it to start the process. You will need to enter the wallet address you want to track. Fill in the required details as prompted in the form. Once everything is correctly filled in, click on the Create button. You will now see your tracking stream listed on the dashboard. Congratulations, you are now set up for real-time wallet tracking with Moralis Streams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.